Hiya YouTube, I'm quite excited this week. As you might know, anyone who watches the channel regularly, I've been on a quest to find myself a really good generation whistle. Had a browse on eBay and I came across this. In fact, I got two of them. There was a guy said they were bankrupt stock and I paid a tenner for two of these. Now, they've got a green top. I don't know very much the story behind the green top on a generation, so if you do, could you please let me know a little bit more info in the comment section. But I have done the blue tack tweak on this and it sounds, I think, just like a generation whistle should, and it plays beautifully. I'm going to do a little reel today, which I have done before, in fact a couple of times, but I think it shows this whistle off quite well. So there you go, St. Anne's reel, and this could be my ideal generation whistle.